We got the leader of the pack right here.
Hello, everybody.
My name is Lily Bissett, and I am an exchange student from America.
Some of my favorite features about my room is that I have a personal sink. So it's super convenient to have that, and it makes it very easy to get ready in the morning. I also really like that my room has a very nice view. It looks out over campus and has a view of some cathedrals.
Hello everyone, I'm Wei Liu. I'm an international student. I live in the Claude Gibb.
So this is my room. It's pretty nice, and I got a single bed here. It gives me good sleep.
I make it very homey by add some fragrance with nice smell when I open the door, and I just feel happy to be home.
At Claude Gibb, we share communal bathrooms, which at first I thought was going to be a bit of an issue, but it actually ended up not being a problem at all.
Everybody smile!
For the new overseas students, I think this is also a very welcoming environment.
There's almost always something going on. And since all we have is just like a bedroom, you really have to get out of there and live in the common rooms and stuff. So people spend a lot of time there. So it's really easy to get to know people and to make friends that way. So here is where the food is at. But yeah, that is the basic setup.
I enjoy living here so much, especially our wonderful cooking team.
Claude Gibb is a catered hall, which makes it super convenient. One of my favorite meals that they do really well there is buttered chicken.
I think they are very thoughtful. They provide festive food. Like in the coming March, they're going to prepare for Pancake Day, things like that. They're really thoughtful and they care about us.
I enjoy living on campus because not only is it super convenient, but it's also an easy way to meet people my age. I meet them in my accommodation, I meet them at events on campus, in societies, and in my classes.
Claude Gibb is a wonderful, ideal place for students. The staff there giving you a family-like support.
I hope you guys enjoyed following me around and seeing what it's like here at Claude Gibb. If you liked being in the center of things, it's definitely going to be the accommodation for you.